Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So last time when I uploaded a video that I completed 8 programs of Hannah Millie in 8 months, that time I got questions like how did I do that? How did I incorporate her workouts into my schedule? What was the days when I used to do her workouts and all that questions. But that time I didn't share it with you because I don't wanted you all to follow my schedule, because maybe your goals are different and my goals are different. Maybe you want to gain muscle and I want to lose fat. Maybe your problem areas are something else and my problem areas are something else. I always used to focus on my problem areas, like I told you, on my breast and my thighs. So that was my problem area, and I used to focus more towards my thighs and my breast only. So I don't wanted you to follow my schedule as it is, because your goals might be different. Maybe your upper body is weak and you want to strengthen your upper body, your abs or your shoulders or your arms. That's why I didn't share it. But if you still want to know that what is my schedule and how I used to follow her workouts, then please keep on watching. So basically I work out 6 days in a week, and sometimes I work out 5 days in a week. But when I started my journey, if you don't know, I have almost lost 25 kg weight, and I have lost 5 inches from my breast, almost 6 inches from my waist area, and then almost 7 inches from my thigh area. So it was a huge transformation. My body composition was completely changed. If you are already my subscriber, then you already know that I used to follow Hannah throughout my weight loss journey, and I have so many videos on her. If you don't know, then you can definitely watch the videos. So today I'm gonna share how did I incorporate her workout challenges in my schedule. So basically my Monday used to start with a kick-ass lag workout, and I still start my Monday with a lag workout. In lag workout, basically I used to focus on thighs, outer thighs, inner thighs, legs, like that, except glutes. I used to train my lower body. So if you want to start your journey, then on leg day you can do this video of Hannah, this video of Hannah, then this one and this one. I will link it down, all of her videos, in my description box below. You can check it out definitely. And if you are a beginner, you have just started your journey, so don't pressurize yourself that you need to work out for 45 minutes in a day. No, my dear, you are a beginner. You need to do it according to your own pace. Don't be in rush. So you basically start your workout with any of the one video which are here and there. So you need to start with any one of them, and you can do any 10-minute workout also. And after that you can increase your workout intensity and your workout time. So that was my Monday leg workout. So on Tuesday I used to train my abs. If you want, you can add abs with cardio, but I didn't do any cardio. I do not prefer any cardio basically. So I used to train my abs, and for abs I used to do her muffin top workout, then her loose belly fat workout, lower abs workout. So I used to combine 4 to 5 videos of her on Tuesday, and then I used to complete my day. On Wednesday I used to train basically my problem area, which was breast, and then sometimes I used to train my back also. Initially I did not pay attention to my back because I used to I used to be more focused towards my problem area, which was breast and thighs. So on Wednesday I used to train my breast. I have already told you that these two exercises I used to do for my breast. So I used to do these two workouts for breast, and then sometimes I used to do this workout for my arms, because breast and arms are kind of small muscles. So I used to train them both together. And sometimes I used to train my back also, but not that much. Mostly it used to be breast and then arms. And then Thursday used to be again my abs day. Again I used to train my abs. I used to choose from her 21-day flat belly program any 4 videos or any 2 videos or any 3 videos according to my mood and according to my strength. I used to choose any one of them, and then I used to do, and I used to train my abs. Then again Friday, it was again I used to train my lower body, which used to be my hips, glutes, quads, legs. So I used to train that part. On Friday I used to follow these workouts of her: underbutt fat, then then reduce cellulite one, and then lose hip fat. I used to follow these all, or sometimes 2 or 3 of her, and sometimes 2 or 3 or any of them. On Saturday again it used to be my breast and arms day. So I used to do those 2 videos again on my breast day, and this for my arms. I have already shared all the workouts like which I used to do in my previous video, which you will see it here. I'll link it down in the description box below. This video I made just for my schedule to show you how I used to incorporate her workouts in my schedule, what is my schedule, and you can completely change it according to your goals. If your target is you want to lose belly fat, then you can train your abs thrice in a week. If your target is lose thigh fat, you can train your legs thrice in a week. According to, you can shuffle them and you can alter them accordingly. This I just shared my plan which I followed her, and I lost almost 25 plus kgs of weight. So this was all about it. Please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. Bye.